Hey there fellow Minecrafters, welcome back to the Draki series here. This is Jason and welcome to another Minecraft video. This is a slightly different video than I usually do. This is going to be a Minecraft command block tutorial, and within this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple item detector in Minecraft. And per detector it only needs 2 command blocks in order to function. So the ones that I have got here, this first detector detects if there's stone actually dropped on the floor. This one detects redstone dust, and this one detects if there's turtle eggs. And basically, if it detects the item on the ground or the item entities themselves, then the redstone lamp is basically spawned in above the command block. And when I actually take away the items, you'll see that all of the redstone lamps actually disappear, and they all work in parallel. As you can see, I can actually get all of them to activate at one time, and pretty much the redstone lamps appear instantaneously, and it's very awesome. And I'm going to show you how to build it. And I'm currently in Minecraft 1.17.1 and I'm on the Java edition, and it should help with Bedrock, but there might be some subtle differences between the 2 versions. And if you want to see more Minecraft content like this, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss anything. So as I said, for the detector you only need 2 command blocks in order to get this to work. And it is actually important which direction you build the detector, and I'll explain that in just a moment here. But first we need to get a command block. So you do /give your name, and then you need to do Minecraft : and then command_block, and that will give you a command block. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to place 2 command blocks down that are facing in the same direction, like this. And the first command block here we're going to set to repeat, and we're going to make sure it's always active. The second one we're going to make sure is a chain command block and always active as well. So we now have the 2 command blocks in the correct state. Now basically how the detector works is this command block makes sure that there isn't a redstone lamp above here. And that is important for a few reasons, because what happens is that because this is a chain command block, this command block actually gets activated after this one. So they're done in sequence. So what happens is, let's pretend that this stone is the lamp. What ends up happening is this command block removes the lamp, and then this command block checks to see if the stone is present, and if it is, it will spawn the redstone lamp here. But as you can see, if I remove the redstone lamp, it doesn't let me remove it. And the reason why is because this chained command block is always spawning this lamp right here. So it goes in like an infinite loop. So it removes the redstone lamp and then it places it again. But the only time it doesn't do that is when there is no stone available. When that happens, it removes the lamp in the first step, but it never replaces it because there is no stone available. And that can work with any of the item entities that you choose. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the chain command block first, because I think that is the easiest to get done. Now the first thing you need to bear in mind is that you need to figure out where exactly you are in the Minecraft world. That is very important indeed. So one way I do that is to use the F3 menu, or you can just use your coordinates. But so for example, that is the positive X direction, that is the positive Z, and you can use that to figure it out. So if I want to go along this line, I'm going to be using the Z coordinates if I want to go back and forth along this arrow right here. So I would use positive Z if I go in this direction, or negative Z if I go in this direction. I believe these ones use the X direction because they're facing the different way, but you'll see why that's important in just a second here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put this command block here, and we're going to write this command so that it can actually spawn the redstone lamp into place. Now what we're going to do is, in this particular example, we're going to do diamonds. So we're going to do a diamond item detector in this example. So this is what we need to do with this command right here. We need to do execute if entity, and then @e, which means we're checking all entities, and then we need to do type equals Minecraft : item. So that means we're only checking item entities in this case. And then we need to do nbt equals. So we're going to be now checking for a particular item. So in this case, we're going to be checking for diamond. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the following: is open curly bracket, and then we do item : and then another curly bracket, and then ID : and then in quotes, we then do Minecraft : diamond. So that is us checking for diamond, and then we do another curly bracket to close it off. So 2 curly brackets, in fact, and then a square bracket in order to actually complete the @e tag. Once we've actually done that, we can then do run, and then we do set block. And what we're going to do is we're going to now try and set a redstone lamp above the blue command block, or the repeating command block that's to our left on the screen right here. And how we're going to do that is it's going to have to place it 1 block above the command block, and then we're going to have to go 1 in the -Z direction, like so. And when we actually do that, it's going to place the lamp in the right area. And what we're going to do now is we're going to do Minecraft : and then redstone lamp. And then after the redstone lamp, in square brackets, we're going to do lit equals true, like that. And if we actually do that, it's going to be able to place the redstone lamp above the other command block. And now what we need to do is we need to write the command to remove the redstone lamp before it executes this one. So like I explained before, it removes any redstone lamp that is there, and then it places it again if the item is detected within the vicinity of the command block. So let's have a look here. So this is a fairly similar command, but it's looking at the block. So it's going to be execute, but we are checking the block. Now the block is going to be the one directly above the command block. So we're going to do this. So this means we're checking 1 block above the current command block. And we're going to say if the command block is Minecraft : and then redstone lamp, and then in square brackets lit equals true. So it only checks if it's a lit redstone lamp. And if that is the case, then run set block, and then tilde tilde. So in the same position, we're going to put Minecraft : air. So what that's going to do essentially is, actually place some air there. And if we actually set that, that is now the item detector done. So the only fidgety thing about this detector is you need to make sure you've got your directions correct. So if it's putting the lamp in the wrong location, make sure that you've got your relative coordinates correct and you actually set it correctly as well. And in this case, what should happen is if I throw down the diamond right here, you can see that it now detects the diamond. Now, if you want to find out other item keys that you want to do, all you need to do is check in creative mode or stuff like that. If you hover over the items, it should tell you what the item ID actually is. So I can actually mod this to be whatever I like. So let's say, for example, I want to pick a random item. Let's say honey, let's say. So if I hover over the honey bottle, it says Minecraft : honey bottle. So in order to change this detector to look for honey bottles instead of diamonds, all I need to do is come to the chain command block, and instead of it checking Minecraft : diamond here, I need to replace diamond with honey _ bottle. So I've just modded this detector to not check diamonds anymore. Diamonds no longer works, but now it looks at honey bottles instead, as you can see right there. And that is about it. And there's lots of different things that you can actually do with this. Instead of actually just placing a lamp, another thing you can do is, instead of it placing a lamp, you can actually have a redstone wire somewhere in your Minecraft world, and you could make the command block, so the chain command block, instead of placing a light, which is just my visual aid in order to show you the detector actually working, you could actually get the detector to place a redstone block or something like that. And the advantage of doing that is, if you're able to do that, you're essentially able to activate certain circuits when it detects a certain thing. And as soon as the item disappears, the redstone block will then be removed, and the power to whatever circuit you want to use will be removed. But hopefully this video actually made some sense, and you can actually make your own detector using the commands. Now, one thing I will do is, in the description of the video, I will put both commands, or examples of both commands, that I have actually used in this video, so that you can kind of use that in order to make your own detector yourself. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, and found it cool that you could make something like this within Minecraft in order to actually detect particular items from being dropped. There's quite a few applications for this in various, like, I don't know, mini games or just creative projects and so on. But if you did enjoy the video, then be sure to like the video. It'd be very much appreciated. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter is in the description, or you can actually follow the Twitter on screen right now. So that's @DireckySeries on Twitter. And also, if you want to see more Minecraft content like this, or Minecraft Seed showcases, tutorials, redstone, all kinds of different things, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you stay up to date. And please click the notification bell so you stay notified of any future videos. I will see you in the next video. Hopefully you have fun with these command blocks, and hopefully you want to see some more command block tutorials in the future. I'm happy to do a lot more when I think of a cool thing that I can actually show all of you, all my fellow Minecrafters out there. I will see you next time. Take care and bye bye.